So today we're working on the camper, the Tramper, and look what we have now. Let's climb in here. Gotta show you some things. Obviously I have to tuck some wires in, but you can see the solar MPPT charge controller on the left is reading 13.2 volts, and next to it we have something new. This here is a simple battery charger. It's a 6 amp charger, and it's plugged into shore power. Underneath it is an 800 watt inverter. So when we turn that on, we got power. And then boom, over here we have power. So let's scoot back over here and watch some TV. Okay, so this is basically where I'll be sitting on the bed. The pillow's just there, but I'll probably put it on this end anyway. And yes, I know I gotta clean up the wires and make it look pretty. But what we have here we also have Roku, which is connected wirelessly to my phone's hotspot. So if we go here, turn on the Roku, boom. Now we'll go over to YouTube. And yes, this is all in the back of the truck camper. It's not permanently mounted, but I wanted to show you what can be done. Oh, I have to turn on my hotspot on my phone. Just a moment. Okay, the hotspot is connected, and boom. So now let's go ahead and watch somebody else's truck cap review. Of course, there's a Harbor Freight ad. And unfortunately, as much as I love Harbor Freight, the only thing that I've used from there is a screwdriver. So again, this is all running off the hotspot of my truck. An inverter, solar. Right now I'm hooked up to shore power, but even if I unhook it, we can watch the numbers go down real quick. And this is, I just unplugged the charger. You'll see the light kick off, and you'll see the voltage should start dropping. But anyway, it's still at 13.3 on solar only. The inverter's going, the charger's off, the TV is on, the cooler's on at -3 degrees.